In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom Steam profile. By the end, you'll have a personalized Steam profile with your updated name, bio, location, avatar, background, and mini profile style, all configured in the Edit Profile area. First, Edit Profile. This is where all profile customization happens, and we'll use it to change both your basic info and your visual appearance. Next, open Steam. Launch the Steam desktop app and sign in if needed. You can follow the same steps in a browser if you prefer, but I'll demonstrate in the app. Now click your profile name. You'll find it at the top right. From the drop-down, go to your profile page so you can access your settings. Click Edit Profile. This opens the full editor with sections for basics and appearance. You'll make all changes from here. Customize basics. Stay on this screen to handle your basic details before moving on to visuals. Change profile name. In the profile name field, click and type the name you want to display across Steam. Keep it clear and recognizable so friends can find you easily. When you're happy with it, look for the Save or Apply option on the page and confirm so the new name takes effect. Add bio/summary. In the summary box, write a short bio about yourself, your favorite games, or anything you want visitors to see. Keep it concise and appropriate for your public profile. If you need a multi-line summary, press Enter where you want line breaks. When it reads the way you want, confirm your changes to update the bio. Set location/info. In the location field, pick your country and region, or type your city if available. Then fill in any additional info shown on this page that you want to share publicly. Double-check spelling and make sure you're comfortable sharing those details. Confirm the changes so your basic info is saved. Customize appearance. Now move to the Appearance area to change visuals that make your profile stand out. Go to Avatar, then Upload Image. Click the Avatar section, choose Upload, and select an image file from your computer. A square image works best because avatars display as a square. If a crop tool appears, adjust the frame so your subject is centered and clearly visible, then confirm the upload. Wait a moment for the new avatar to appear in the preview, and apply the change to update it on your profile. Go to Profile Background, then select Background. Open the Profile Background section to see the backgrounds available on your account. Scroll through the options, click a background to preview how it looks behind your profile, and choose the one that fits your style. If there's an Apply or Save option here, confirm it so the background is set. Go to Mini Profile, then choose Style. Open the Mini Profile area. This controls the small card that appears when someone hovers over your name in Steam. Browse the available styles or themes displayed, select the one you like, and preview how it looks. Once you've picked a style, confirm the selection so it's applied to your mini profile. At this point, you've completed all the steps to make a custom Steam profile. Your profile name, bio, location, avatar, background, and mini profile style are now updated and visible. Your custom Steam profile is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.